Hey everyone, in this video I'm going over kettlebell sumo deadlift. This is similar to a kettlebell conventional deadlift, but I'm going to change where my feet are, and I'm also going to change what tension I use. So if a conventional deadlift with a kettlebell is here and using the internal torque chain, so my inner hamstring, inner quad, glute max, all that good stuff, a sumo deadlift is in the external torque chain. I'm going to widen my feet and I can turn my toes out a little bit, not way out here, okay? But they don't have to be straight forward, but find something that's comfortable for you to do to use the right tension, okay? In the external torque chain, now I'm going to get my outside hamstring and outside quad with my glute medius, so more out here. Those are the ones doing most of the work. Then I'll have my lats and my core stabilizing as well. Okay, so this is going to look a little different from the conventional. I'm going to be more in like a high squat pattern, less of a hinge. Okay, so when I start, I'm going to make sure that my glute medius are squeezing my knees out and I can sit with my butt back. Chest will be up a little bit more, and then my lats are on, pulling my shoulders down, push the floor away. Then I squat back down, push my butt back, stand back up. Okay, what I don't want to see is the knees caving in like this. That is your body wanting to go into internal torque when that's not what the goal of this exercise is, okay? So we're really spinning the legs out like this, okay? And that's why the toes out can be very helpful. All right, have fun with that.